Hello and welcome to Exam Study. In this video, we will be discussing about the geographical introduction of Rajasthan. So we will be discussing about the state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the topmost state of India in terms of area. So very favorite question of RPSC or RSMSSB is what is the percentage of area that Rajasthan occupies of the total country's area, and that is 10.41%. So you should note this fact. we, what is the geographical extent of Rajasthan, means what is the length of Rajasthan. If we talk about the length of Rajasthan from Jaisalmer to Dholpur, it is around 869 kilometers, and if we talk about the north to south extent of Rajasthan, it is 826 kilometers. Now we will be discussing about the neighboring countries and neighboring states of Rajasthan. So Pakistan is the only country that shares its boundary with Rajasthan, and this is the extent of the boundary that Rajasthan shares with Pakistan. These two districts, Bikaner and Jaisalmer, these are the two districts that shares the minimum boundary of with Pakistan and maximum boundary with Pakistan. If we talk about Bikaner, Bikaner shares minimum border with Pakistan, and Jaisalmer shares the maximum border with Pakistan. Now, we all know Tropic of Cancer passes through the state of Rajasthan. How many districts of Rajasthan through it passes? So it passes through Dungarpur and Banswara. So these are the two districts, Dungarpur and Banswara, districts from where Tropic of Cancer passes. Now we will be discussing about which are the states that share its boundary with Rajasthan. So Punjab in the north, Haryana, I'll show you in the map, Haryana in the northeast, Uttar Pradesh in the east, Madhya Pradesh in the southeast, and Gujarat in the south. So these are the states that share its boundary with Rajasthan. So this is Punjab in the north. Here is Haryana. UP is Dholpur and from here Dholpur, Karauli, Savai Madhopur, Bara and Jhalawad. Pratapgarh, Banswara, some part of Banswara. This is MP. And if we talk about the southern part, this one Sirohi, Udaipur, Dungarpur, Gujarat shares its border with Rajasthan from here. Now, if we talk about the starting and the end point of the border with Pakistan, we will be saying it starts from Hindu Malkot in Sri Ganganagar to Shahagarh in Badmer. Next most important fact is what is the length of border with Pakistan. Total is around 1070 kilometers. I told you Bikaner shares the minimum border with Pakistan, whereas Jaisalmer share the maximum border with Pakistan. The length of border with Pakistan is 1070. It is the international border, and the length of the state border 5933 kilometers. State language is Hindi. And the shape of the map of Rajasthan is kite shape. So these are the facts that had been asked in the examination. So I am just telling you. Now we will be discussing about the mountain range in Rajasthan. Mountains in Rajasthan. The highest peak in Rajasthan is Guru Shikhar, and Guru Shikhar is in Mount Abu, that lies in Sirohi district. So it is an important question. In which district Mount Abu lies? Mount Abu is in Sirohi district. So the districts in terms of the border with Pakistan is Jaisalmer. It's 464 kilometers. Then Barmer, it's 220. Sri Ganganagar, 210 kilometers, and Bikaner shares the minimum border with Pakistan. It is only 168 kilometers. So these are the districts that share its boundary with Pakistan. The peaks in Rajasthan are Guru Shikhar, Ser Hills, Jarga, and Achalgarh. These are the four Achalgarh and Raghunathgarh also. Now, how many of these are in district Sirohi? Guru Shikhar is in district Sirohi, Ser is in Sirohi, Jarga is in Udaipur, Achalgarh is in Sirohi, and Raghunathgarh is in Sikar. Sikar is also famous for the temple of Khatu Shah, is in district Sikar. So these are the 5 peaks of Rajasthan in terms of descending order of their heights. So another geographical feature is Hadauti Plateau. And if we talk about the district that lies in Hadauti Plateau, it comprises of 4 districts. That is Kota, Bara, Jhalawad, and Bundi. So these are the 4 districts. I will explain it in the map also. This is Hadauti Plateau. So A question can be asked, which state share its border with the Hadauti Plateau? So it's Madhya Pradesh. So these are the four districts: Bundi, Kota, Jhalawad, and Bara. So this is Hadauti Plateau. And one more plateau, it's Bhorat Plateau. Bhorat Plateau is in Bhorat Plateau doesn't comprises of districts. The Bhorat Plateau, Kumbhalgarh, and Gegunda. So these were the facts regarding the geographical introduction of Rajasthan. One more thing that I forgot to, if we talk about the Sivana Hills are also known as छप्पन पहाड़ियों, छप्पन की पहाड़ियाँ, hills of छप्पन hills. It is also known as छप्पन hills due to the round shape of Sivana Hills. It is also known as छप्पन पहाड़ियाँ. And the other mountain range, important mountain range that is older than Himalaya, is the Aravalli range that passes through the state of Rajasthan. It starts from Palanpur in Gujarat till Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is constructed on Aravalli Hill in Aravalli range. So Aravalli range is the most important part of the state of Rajasthan. This is the most important hill in the state of Rajasthan. And how much part of Rajasthan is covered with desert? So 60% of Rajasthan of the area of Rajasthan is covered with deserts. Now this video is going to complete, and this was the geographical introduction of Rajasthan. In the meantime, in the future, I will be uploading the videos regarding Rajasthan. Till then, goodbye.